Peter Lehner with Trusted Elder Law and Asset Protection. I'm a Pensacola-based estate planning, elder law, and bankruptcy attorney. Today I want to talk about seniors filing for bankruptcy or thinking about using a debt settlement company. In many cases, if the senior's income is only Social Security or VA, they're kind of collection proof. The creditors, yeah, they can sue, they can get a judgment, but if they don't have any assets other than, their homestead and, maybe a vehicle or, and their only money in the bank is from VA or Social Security, a creditor is not going to be able to garnish the funds in that bank account. The bank has to allow the senior to get access to funds that are traceable to Social Security or VA. And they can't garnish Social Security or VA. So they're judgment proof or collection proof. And many times, seniors want to pay the money back and they're looking at the debt settlement companies because they think that's better than bankruptcy. Well, many times the debt settlement companies, they don't work. The creditors, they don't have to take the negotiated amount. There's a couple of ways to do debt consolidation or debt settlement. They, each month you make your payment and the company pays it out to your various creditors or a portion of it, or you pay in each month to the debt settlement company, and once your account builds up enough, then they try to negotiate one-on-one with the creditors to reach some type of settlement. The problem with that scenario is if you have multiple creditors, you're probably not going to build up the account fast enough to negotiate with your creditors, and somebody's going to go sue you. Two, there's always some type of fee coming out of it, so it's hard to build up the amount. And three, the creditors might not negotiate. They want an unreasonable amount right away, and you don't have it. Typically, bankruptcy is probably a better option over the debt settlement because bankruptcy, you file it, the creditors have no choice. They have to go away with it. The creditors aren't going to get anything in the typical Chapter 7 bankruptcy, or maybe pennies on a dollar if there's some unexempt assets. And they stop reporting to the credit agencies that you're delinquent and behind or not paying as agreed, that sort of thing. So the dings on the credit report stop. And you actually become a better credit risk to future creditors after the bankruptcy because they know you can't file again for 8 years, and nobody's going to come creeping out of the woodwork and divert their payment to some old creditor that you owe. So many times, just not paying the creditors is a valid option for a senior that's on just Social Security or VA. And, if they own a home in Florida, that's going to be protected. And so, just stop using the credit cards and stop paying them. But if you're having financial troubles and you want to talk to somebody about your options, give me a call. In Pensacola, I can be reached at 850-607-2222 or toll free at 855-ELDER-FIRM. And I can be found on the web at trustedelderlaw.com. So I look forward to hearing from you and seeing how I can help. Take care.